Today we're flying down about 13 kilometers south of Hua Hin to the beautiful village of Khao Tao. In Thai, Khao Tao means Turtle Mountain, the name's coming from the shape of the hills along the shoreline. For those of you following my train line construction videos, you can see that the ground level dual tracks are nearing completion, with some work still to be done as the main road comes across the tracks. In the distance, we see a large freshwater lake, or more properly, a reservoir, the first one ever built in Thailand. There's a boardwalk all the way around, used by walkers and runners. In the lake we see a traditional architecture Buddhist temple building sitting on its own small island. Memory House Cafe is designed for perfect coffee, cake, and selfies. Enjoy the very close-up view of the trees. The village is home to houses, condos, and a wide variety of restaurants. Condos close to the beach in a quiet town equals great lifestyle. The beach at low tide leaves the colorful fishing fleet high and dry. The Wat Tam temple is built into the hillside and peaked with a large golden Buddha statue. Wrapping up, we fly back home to Hua Hin with Monkey Mountain projecting out into the Gulf. A video about that is in the works. Hey, if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my other content, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Take care and see you next time.